Guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Mondays are my planning day, or at least my planning and sharing with you guys planning day. And my whole goal with all of that is to help you as a crafter plan out your day or keep track, or basically use your planner for what's going to work best for you when it comes to being a crafter or a crafty planner. I think of myself as being a crafty planner. I got into crafting and actually card making initially because I got into planning a little bit. Didn't completely wrap my head around this part, but then I discovered stamps, and yeah, I have never gone back. Anyhow, this is what last week looked like. One thing I like to do with you guys is share with you kind of what I've done in the past week, and my planner is basically being used to record all of the different crafty projects that I have uploaded, mostly to YouTube. So last Monday we did a plan and chat. I was live with you guys and was chatting along. Tuesday, oh my god, Tuesday was so much fun. I do a Tuesday night live for any of you guys who are not regulars on my channel. I do a Tuesday night live, and sometimes I'm able to get sometimes I invite some additional crafters to come and craft along with me. And this week we had Leslie with Happy Doodle, and she was so much fun. I've actually gone back and made a couple more cards using the products we were using that night, and it has been super fun. Wednesday, I did a color block birthday balloons card. This is using Spellbinders products from their celebration, a birthday celebration collection. On on the 1st, which was last Friday, I did our Spellbinders July 22 Club Kit haul. Now, I'm sorry, but I have gotten so tickled over everything in that haul. I'm having trouble actually stopping myself long enough to edit the videos that I'm recording. I keep on in the middle of a video thinking of something else I want to do with another one, especially when I'm going through the editing process. It's been so much fun. I have made so much stuff, and I am mostly done with this next week's stuff, so you'll have some more things to look at later on in the week. Tuesday, we have, 2, July 2nd, 2, not Tuesday, 2. On the 2nd, that was Saturday, we had Taylor Make Hearts for You design team Hop. She has just started her design team back up. I am lucky enough to be a part of that, and we had our Hop starting at 9 a.m. on Saturday, and then at 10 a.m. I was in a second Hop, and this was Cards by Kendra. She had Kendra's Card Challenge number 7 giveaway Hop. So for both of those, there are giveaways, so you'll want to make sure to go back and check out those videos to take advantage of the contest and the giveaway, so be sure to check those out. Sunday, I did Amazing Paper Grace, and that card is just so lovely. And in the midst of everything, I figured out some other stuff I want to do. Anyhow, some of the crafty projects I am thinking of and may do for this next week, I'm not completely sure and I'm not done yet, is a shaker card or two and foiling on stamping. I do a lot of foiling. I love my glimmer system, but you know what I haven't done in a bit? I haven't done any kind of cards using foil on stamped images. So that's something else I want to do coming up. So now we are finally moving into July. We are halfway through the year, and I have actually used my planner pretty much every week. I did not use it week before last because I was out of town, and I still need to update that. So now we're going to move into July, and you'll see I've already got some things penciled in on my monthly. I am planning on going back and decorating my monthlies at some point as well, and here is the week of July 4th through the 10th. One thing I do with these is, because I like to use stickers at times, I've got my Happy Planner sticker guides, and I just store them in my planner so that it's easy access and I don't lose them, because I have lost them before. You go ahead and pull out these pages. So this is kind of what my next week is gonna look like. Today we are doing our planning video. Tomorrow night on Tuesday, when I do my lives, we're going to have Elizabeth Costa Rogers on for our monthly kind of planner check-in. So we're going to be doing that. What I would love for you guys to do for me, though, is go ahead and start writing down any kind of questions that you have for us. I'm thinking that we are at a point now where we should probably reassess what we're doing, whether or not it's something that you guys still enjoy seeing on a weekly basis, or do we need to kind of change things up a little bit? And that's really going to be up to you. On Wednesday, I have my clear stamp and die of the month. You're gonna love it. Oh my God. And yes, I did already upload that. I told you I've been crafting so much and I've been getting so tickled with every single thing that I've gotten in recently, especially the Spellbinder stuff, but along with some other things that I am. Oh, I forgot to write something else down. Um, I'm kind of just losing my brain. It's like I'm creating so much and then I'm needing to edit, and it's a thing. I forgot that on Tuesday I am also, besides that planning video with Elizabeth, I'm also doing a design team project for Not Too Shabby, and I love the way that that card turned out as well. Okay, so that is that part. Let's see, where was I? So clear stamp and die of the month is super cute. On Thursday the 7th, I've got an Instagram hop with this calls for confetti. I'm also going to release a video to go along with that, and I love that card too. On the 8th, I am planning. So I've already got everything up to this point recorded. Other than the live stream, I've got everything recorded. So on Friday, I'm planning on doing the die of the month. If you remember, that is the food truck. It's super, super cute. On Saturday, glimmer of the month. Not 100% sure how I'm going to be working that one, or if I'm going to incorporate it into something else. And then Sunday, I'm planning on doing the club kits of the card kit of the month, because that is the one that's got multiple cards I'm going to be doing all at once using the card kits, which that's unicorns and mermaids and fairies and it's all the wonderful things. And I may actually use some of the stamp set today. What I am planning for today, though, is because today is Happy 4th of July for you guys that are in the US. It is Independence Day. It is the 4th. So I went ahead and I've created all I did is print on some sticker paper. I created some stickers using a couple of digital image sets that I have saved on my computer. One of them is from Miss Monica Taylor. This one, let me find the name of that again. I just had it up. It's called Passport to Freedom. And last year I did a design team project for her in July using the kit. So what I decided to do is size it down and be able to use some of those bits in my planner. Okay, so all I did is I printed it using my inkjet onto some label paper. And then I've got this, which is from a digital kit from DesignBundles, and this kit was called, where is it? And I just had that one up as well. All American Bundle. If I'm not mistaken, this was also a freebie on their website. Now, they do have some things free at one time, and then they charge for it another. So you can always check that out, and I will leave links to both of those kits down below. So what I need to do now, because this is just printed on sticker paper, there's no cut lines or anything, so I need to go ahead and start cutting some of this stuff out so that I can use it in my planner. And the easiest way for the ones that are all with squared edges is for me to just cut them out using my paper trimmer. Okay, so for these, they are about right size to be able to use a 2-edge hole punch. However, they are just far enough from the edge where I'm going to have to trim it down a little bit to try to get that close enough. So I am going to experiment on this and try to just do one and see how that one turns out, because you never know for sure if you've got enough space on there until you try it, right? So we've got this first one, and it does cut off part of it, but I think I like the way that that is going to look. So I'm going to go ahead and punch this out. And now I've got that fun round sticker. And I am making multiples of everything because I don't know how I'm going to use it or if I've got enough for any of those things until I start putting everything together. I probably am going to have way more stickers than what I actually need. So for the God Bless America, do need to trim that one down a little bit too. And that's almost a square. So I may leave those as squares. So I've got 2 sets of circle stickers, and then I'll have a set of square stickers, and then I'll have a set of kind of oval-y kind of stickers. Okay, so now I've got my planner and my sticker guides and all of these fun patriotic stickers for me to play with. I think I'm going to start off with the boxes. So I am pretty much just playing at this point. I kind of still want to keep my center area open. So that's the area that I'll be doing the majority of my writing on. Okay, I think that looks kind of balanced. Could do them like that. But that doesn't leave enough space there. So if I slide them down, maybe do them like that, I think that may work. That's another thing. These, because they have these backing on them, I can rearrange them as much as I want to. I do like this stay and fly on the 4th of July, so it does need to be basically over here at the 4th. So we can do that. That's cool. Now this is a little banner, a vintagey banner that Monica created. I think I want one there and one there. And then have okay, and then I can mess around with the rest of these to kind of fill in the gaps if I decide that I need to do that. Okay, and which means I don't really need the sticker guide for its purpose, but I'm going to just leave it there. Now the hard part of doing a sticker the way I did it here is that it may be a little bit difficult to get the release paper off. You know, kind of like how we sometimes have issues when we're trying to get the release paper off of double-sided adhesive. Because when you're using label paper, it usually has, especially the full sheets, then a lot of them either don't have a crack mark on them or they just have one. So we've got a banner. Okay, so that is a good start there. Here's one of those that I had decided I wanted to do a curved edge, so I need to go ahead and add that in. Okay, I'm liking that side. That looks kind of cool. Okay, and then I've got my stay and fly on the 4th of July. Using another one of those, and I think I want to put another one of the Star Spangled and Sassy up at the top too. You can fill it up as much or as little as you want. Yeah, I'm going to put one of these little rally cards right over the wording that was already on the planner because I didn't really want it. And I don't think I really have any more room. So I still have a bunch of stickers that I can use for another project. So this is pretty cool. So I'm loving the way that this turned out. And I would love to see what your 4th of July week spread looks like. So be sure to share your pictures over in the hashtag Planning Crafters Facebook group. We would love to see what you've got, and we'd love to answer any kind of questions. Remember, tomorrow night we do have a plan with me with me and Miss Elizabeth Costa Rogers, and we are more than happy to answer any kind of questions. Start up a conversation, because you know what? We are learning just like you guys. I've got some things that I've got in the works that I'm working on to help my productivity, and I think that my productivity is getting better. So I think I'm doing something right, but I do need to kind of tweak that a bit more. So if you want to see some more of our planning videos, check out this playlist, and or go to #PlanningCrafters on YouTube, and it'll bring up a list of all of the different videos that we've got for this, basically our crafty planning group. Also down in the description, you can just hit that hashtag there too. So you guys have a wonderful day, and remember, if I can plan it, you can too. Talk to you soon.